Hi, this is a tutorial video on how to navigate a Google Classroom. This view is a little bit different because this is the teacher view, but under a student view, there's going to be Stream, Classwork, and People tabs on the top bar, and they're quick links to help navigate. So under Stream, that's what this first page is. This is where you'll see daily announcements posted or things like that, and they go in chronological order. The newest announcement will be on the top. This page can sometimes get overwhelming for students because as every announcement is made, it just keeps track of it, and it can be really long and time consuming if you're going back trying to find something from 2 or 3 weeks ago. But the really cool feature is this box over here on the left where it says upcoming. You can look over here quickly to see if you have any work due and if it's due soon. And that's kind of a nice, helpful way of just quickly checking in to see what's due. Classwork is a tab that's important because it's got all of the topics over here on the left-hand side. And this is a fast way of checking on what's due or what you have under each unit. So, for example, if I click on the first week of school, it's going to show me that there are a couple things posted here. It tells me the title of it, it shows me the due date and the due date time, and then it tells me the homework. This one I have scheduled, the students will never see this, but this one just shows me I have it scheduled to release at 8 a.m. This one is a student information form that they need to fill out, and it's due by Sunday, August 16th at 10 p.m. And if a student clicks on this, it'll take it to there, and then they're going to fill out this form, and then they're going to turn it in to me. Once they turn it in to me over the Google Classroom, it will tell me that the assignment has been completed, and then it will tell me one is turned in. If students tell their parents they turn an assignment in, yes, you could just click this and hit submit and never fill it out, but I will come back and be like, you didn't fill out this form. You need to go back and fill it out properly, please. And then you can click on people and it'll tell you all of the people that are enrolled in the class. You could see what your friends are in there and you can email them. You really can't do much with this feature. It just shows you who's in the class. So just to recap, Stream, under this one, announcements, newest on top, oldest on the bottom, but the upcoming work box is really important. That's the quick way to check if you have anything due in the next couple of days. Google Classroom does send out announcement reminders when work is coming close to being due. They usually give you a 24-hour heads up. So if you tell your teacher you didn't know it was due, that's kind of a lie because you should be checking your school email daily. I assign unit calendars, things like that. And then under classwork, all topics, and then click on the topic that we're currently studying. And that's a quick way of helping to navigate. So those are like the two biggest tricks to helping you figure out Google Classroom. And I hope you found this video helpful.